along the way to keep my demons safe at base. I watch from a sinking ship. It's not your responsibility to pull me from the sea, but I appreciate the help I can get. I learned along the way to jump over the cracks, 'cause I'm not busting no one's balls and I'm not breaking no one's back. I'm not superstitious, I am not religious, but Jesus Christ forgive us, I've got good intentions. Trust myself, it's just a problem that I've dealt with. I don't know where this old highway goes. With this backpack full of clothes, it's the direction that I'm headed. I don't think I'll ever get to sleep, so therefore I can't speak of dreams I haven't had in weeks. And I can't rely on anybody else. I don't trust myself, this is the problem that I've dealt with. Sit here and be lying through my teeth. It never gets old, making amends and acting like I haven't grown to hate all of my friends. It never gets old, at least not to me. That guy. And oh, it never gets old, making amends, acting like I haven't grown to hate all of my friends. Be right back. Did you fall down? Are you alright? You're crying because you got mud on you? No, are you owling because you have mud on you? Oh, you tripped over your shoe and fell down. Are you okay, buddy? Alright, do you need me to pick you up? Yeah, put the shoe back on. Alright.
Oh, Aiden.
I went down this giant hill. It's like this big. Are you okay? I can't rely on anybody else, but I don't trust myself. It's just a problem that I've dealt with. I don't know where this old highway goes. With this backpack full of bumps, it's the direction that I'm heading. I don't think I'll ever get to sleep, therefore I can't speak of dreams I haven't had in weeks. I can't rely on anybody else. I don't trust myself, it's just a problem that I've dealt with.